Today we are going to take up class 12 English Flamingo, the poem Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Now let us know a few lines about the poet Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda was a famous Chilean poet, diplomat and politician. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. The first stanza. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. The poet means to say that we should all remain silent and motionless for a few seconds. Stanza 2. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. The poet in this stanza means to say that in this very sweet and unusual moment when all would be quiet and motionless, there would be no hurrying and no noise. And in this silence, we would all feel ourselves as one with all others. The poet expects that during this period, the fishermen will not harm the whales, and the men gathering salt would stop their activities and look at their hard hands, indicating that they would realize that they have been greedy and unsatisfied. Stanza 3. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade, doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. In this stanza, the poet says that there are many people who indulge in harmful activities like green wars, in which they are harming the environment by mining and other destructive activities. Similarly, there are people who fight with fatal gases and fatal weapons, and the result is nothing but a victory where there are no survivors left. The poet means to say that in this moment of quiet introspection, all these harmful activities will stop. But the poet again reminds us that we should not get confused with what he considers to be inactivity. He says that inactivity means death, and we should not consider our inactivity to be the end of everything. In other words, it is during this period of quiet introspection that we will realize that we have to be compassionate towards others and not harm Mother Nature. Stanza. In this stanza, the poet speaks about the man's single-minded greed to move forward in life, and as a result, he has become isolated and surrounded himself in sadness. Stanza 4. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. In this stanza, the poet says that man has become so selfish and self-centered that he has forgotten about the harm he is doing towards the environment in the process of earning and because of his greed. The silence that indicates the isolation of man due to his greed is something that we need to understand, and because of which we are threatening ourselves with death, because when we harm nature, we are harming ourselves. Stanza 5. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. In this stanza, the poet says that when everything seems dead, it is not always so. And he uses the symbol of the earth. He says that in winter, the earth seems to be dead, but later in spring, it is proved that it is alive, not dead. It has new colors and beauties added to it. Thus, the poet proves that there can be life under apparent stillness, life which is lying dormant. In the same way, when we are introspecting and are in silent meditation, this should not indicate death because life should go on. It will be only a suspension of our activities for a short while so that we can start our activities afresh in a better manner. It will help us to get some time for introspection and achieve an inner maturity. Finally, the poet says that he will count up to 12 and we all should keep quiet and do meditation and he will go. This quiet introspection will enable us to start our activities in a better and purposeful manner so that life becomes beautiful just as spring when everything is colorful and better than before.